Hello everyone and welcome to our another video. This video is about the Champions League round of 16 draw, the seeded teams, the unseeded teams, what is the date and the round details. The draw for the round of 16 of the 2021 and 2022 UEFA Champions League will be made at 11 am on global time on Monday on December 13. Group winners will be drawn against group runner-ups. Teams from the same national association cannot face each other, nor can teams who played each other in the group stage of this season competition. Group winners will be away in the first leg, with ties to be played on February 15 and 16 and 22 and 23. Return legs will be played on March 8, 9 and 15 and 16th of March. The teams which are confirmed in the draw are qualified as the group winners are Ajax, Bayern Munich, Liverpool, Manchester United, Manchester City, Real Madrid, Juventus and Lille. While the qualified as runner-ups which are unseeded teams are Atletico Madrid, Benfica, Chelsea, FC Salzburg, Inter Milan, Paris Saint-Germain, Sporting and Villarreal. UEFA will draw the quarter-final and semi-final ties on the same day from this season, scheduled from March 18. The final will take place on Saturday, May 28 at the stadium in St. Petersburg in Russia. The Champions League draw will be on 13th of December 2021. The possible round of 16 opponents for every team as possible. PSG can draw with Bayern Munich, Manchester United, Real Madrid, Liverpool, Ajax and Juventus. Manchester United possible opponents for round of 16 would be PSG, FC Salzburg, Inter Milan, Atletico Madrid, Sporting and Benfica. Manchester City possible opponents in the round of 16 would be Villarreal, FC Salzburg, Inter Milan, Atletico de Madrid, Benfica and Sporting. Liverpool possible opponents could be PSG, FC Salzburg, Inter Milan, Villarreal, Benfica and Sporting. Chelsea's possible opponent would be FC Bayern Munich, Lille and Ajax. Real Madrid possible opponents could be PSG, FC Salzburg, Chelsea, Benfica and Sporting. Atletico Madrid possible opponents could be Manchester City, Ajax, Bayern Munich, Juventus, Manchester United, Lille. Ajax possible opponents in round of 16 could be PSG, FC Salzburg, Inter Milan, Atletico Madrid, Benfica, Chelsea, Villarreal. Juventus possible opponents in round of 16 could be PSG, FC Salzburg, Atletico Madrid, Villarreal, Benfica and Sporting. Inter Milan possible opponents could be Manchester City, Ajax, Bayern Munich, Liverpool, Man United and Lille. These are some of the teams with their possible opponents in the round of 16. There is a great possibility of witnessing the battle of the goats in the round of 16 of the Champions League this season.